What you need to know about your home mortgage. Have you found yourself looking at homes wondering how you will be able to afford it? No matter the reason you're here, you will find it to be helpful if you're thinking of getting a home mortgage. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to find out what your payments will be. Shop around some so you can see what you're eligible for. After you do this, you can easily calculate monthly payments. Don't take out the maximum amount you qualify for. Consider your lifestyle and habits to figure what you can truly afford to finance for a home. Get all of your paperwork together before seeking a loan. Having all your information available can make the process go more quickly. The lender is going to want to go over all this information, so keep it nearby. You should have to have a stable work history to get a mortgage. A majority of lenders will require 2 years of work history in order to approve a mortgage loan. Switching jobs often can cause your application to get denied. You should never want to quit your job during the loan application process. Many purchasers are afraid to discuss their problems with the lender. If you are in financial trouble, try to renegotiate it. Be sure to discuss all your options with your mortgage provider and about any available options. Your loan is at risk of rejection if there are major changes to your financial situation. You need a secure job before applying for a mortgage. Create a budget so that your potential mortgage is no more than 30% of your income. Paying a lot because you make enough money can make problems in the future. Keeping yourself with payments that are manageable will allow you keep your budget in order. Make sure to see if a property has gone down in value before trying to apply for another mortgage. Even though you might think everything is great with your home, the bank might determine the value of your home in function of the real estate market, which could make you less likely to get your second mortgage. Search for the best possible interest terms possible. The bank's goal is to get you as much as possible. Don't be a victim of things. Make sure you do some comparison shop and give yourself multiple options. If you are having difficulty paying a mortgage, seek help. Counseling might help if you are having difficulty affording the minimum amount. There are HUD all over the country. These counselors who have been approved by HUD offer free advice that will show you prevent your home from being foreclosed. Call or visit HUD's website to locate one near you. Try to keep balances that are lower than 50% of the credit limit you're working with. If you are able to, get balances below 30% of your available credit. Try to lower your debt before getting a house. A home mortgage will take a chunk of your money, no matter what comes your way. Having minimal debt will make it that much easier to get a home mortgage loan. Once you have secured financing for your home, try paying extra for the principal every month. This will help you pay the mortgage off faster. Paying only $100 a month on your loan can actually reduce the term of a mortgage by 10 years. Know what all fees will be before signing on the dotted line. There are going to be itemized closing costs, commission fees and some miscellaneous charges. You can often negotiate a few of these with either the lender or the seller. Lower the amount of open credit cards you carry prior to seeking a house. Having too many credit cards can make you finances. Learn about fees and costs that are associated with getting a mortgage. There are often odd-seeming line items involved in closing on a home. It can make you feel very daunting. When you do some work and know the language, you might even be able to negotiate them away. If you can afford paying a slightly higher monthly mortgage payment, think about a 15 or 20-year loan. These shorter-term loans usually have a lower interest rate and a higher monthly payment. You may end up saving thousands of dollars over a regular 30-year loan in the future. Many sellers just want to make a quick sale and they can help. You'll have to make 2 payments each month, but it might be worth it to acquire the mortgage. If your lender decides to approve you for more than you can realistically afford, you'll have some extra room. Doing this could cause severe financial problems later on. Compare more than just interest rates when you shop for a mortgage. A great interest rate is what you want. You need to know about down payments, like the down payment and the closing costs. Check out the BBB before choosing a mortgage broker. There are predatory lenders who might attempt to get you into loans with higher fees and some refinancing options that earn them higher fees. Be careful when you're working with a broker that thinks you to pay extremely high fees that you're not able to pay. Get a pre-approved before going house shopping. If you aren't sure what you're approved for, you could be wasting your time looking at homes you can't afford. Knowing your budget will help you while you are searching. Time is an issue when you're offered a broker or bank. The housing market changes quickly. The loan that you can get today might be invalid tomorrow. If you were thinking about how to get a home mortgage or just a better one, then the ideas within this article should help you do just that. You can easily enjoy a home thanks to what you've learned here. Use what you've gone over here wisely if you are searching for a home that you've dreamed of.